In this video, you'll learn how to filter Google Drive files by who they're shared with so you can quickly find documents connected to a specific person. This is really useful when you're working on shared projects, tracking down something a colleague sent you, or just trying to clean up and organize your Drive. First, go ahead and open Google Drive in your browser. You can do this by going to the usual Drive web address or by clicking through from your Google Apps menu. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one. Once Drive loads, you'll see your usual folders and files, along with a search bar at the very top of the page. That search bar is what we're going to focus on. Next, move your mouse to the search bar at the top. You might be used to just typing a word or file name here, but Drive actually has more advanced search tools built in. On the right-hand side of the search bar, you'll see a small icon that looks like sliders or a funnel, often called the search options icon. This is where you can fine-tune your search to focus on exactly what you need. Click that search options icon. A panel will drop down with several fields and filters such as file type, owner, location, and more. This is Google Drive's advanced search menu. Instead of scrolling through a long list of files, you can let Drive do the work for you by telling it exactly what you're looking for. In this case, we want to filter files by who they're shared with. Look for the field labeled People in that search panel. This field lets you narrow down your results to items that involve a particular person. Click into the People field and start typing the name or email address of the person you're interested in. As you type, Drive may suggest contacts it recognizes. You can click one of those suggestions or finish typing the full email if needed. This is especially handy if you often share files with a team member, a manager, or a client and need to see everything linked to them. Once you've entered the name or email, you're ready to run the search. Go down to the bottom right of that search panel and click the search button. If you prefer, you can also press enter on your keyboard after you've set the options, and Drive will apply those filters right away. After a moment, Google Drive will refresh and show you a list of files that are shared with or by that person. This can include items they've shared with you, things you've shared with them, or files where you both have access. From here, you can open any file, adjust sharing settings, or further refine your search using the other filters if needed, like file type or date modified. That's all there is to it. By using the search options and the people field in Google Drive, you can quickly filter your files based on who they're shared with, making it much easier to stay organized and find exactly what you need.